Have you ever wondered what attracts men and women to each other? In this video, I'll share with you the ancient secrets behind true attraction and break the barriers that have misguided you your entire life. Imagine this. You and your lady are sitting on the couch, binging on random shows on Netflix, when she suddenly asks you one of man's most dreaded questions. Why do you like me? Red alert! While many men think the question is relatively innocent, it's actually a landmine. One wrong answer can lead to the complete annihilation of your relationship, sex life, and anything else you can think of. You might as well change your relationship status to single right now. Well, this video will help you prepare for the situation by giving you a deeper understanding of what really attracts men to women. What's in it for you? For starters, you'll avoid total destruction and keep the woman of your dreams. And second, if you stay to the end of this video, we'll show you what women consider to be the most unattractive behavior in men. Hit the subscribe button below and tick the notification bell to watch more tips on how to win women over. Now, let's jump right in. Beauty. This isn't that much of a mystery. Men are naturally attracted to women who they deem beautiful. But contrary to what most believe, beauty doesn't completely rely on looks. When looking for a woman, males generally search for a female that has the physical traits that show her ability to have children, even if she can't. You're confused, I know. Let me explain that a bit more. Many will look for traits such as smooth skin, round breasts, and wide hips as a sign that the woman has not been impregnated by other men or that she is still capable of producing children. While men may consider beauty as one, if not the most crucial factor to determine how attractive a woman is, females rarely do the same. To women, males can be attractive without being beautiful, or be beautiful without being handsome. Women would likely look for a male who can give them support during pregnancy and throughout motherhood. It won't matter if you look like a fresh off the red carpet Henry Cavill, aka Superman. If you come across as the guy who can't protect and support her, you're unlikely to get in her pants. Vulnerability. Men are generally attracted to young women with who they can have sex. However, many women find teenage boys unattractive and would likely look for men who show signs of maturity in their personality and behavior. Females are attracted to traits that complement theirs. This is because a woman's ability to bear children makes them physically more vulnerable than males. Having children not only puts females at a disadvantage on tasks that need strength, carrying a tiny human and giving birth also puts their lives at risk. While pregnant, engaging in a physical fight or being forced into an extremely stressful situation would not bode well for the woman and the child. Therefore, females are less attracted to males who appear very vulnerable and unable to protect or support them throughout the journey. Visibility. Men tend to gravitate to women who exude femininity, which means she is born a female and has a beautiful body. Women are attracted to men who have the masculine aura, or someone who was born male and is less vulnerable than females. While most would deny it if asked, men know the visual traits they want in a woman. This may include round and perky breasts, a certain body ratio, and a youthful appearance. Some men are so used to looking for these traits that they can spot a female that qualifies even from afar. Males assume that many women do this too. However, that is not the case. Females are attracted to a man's behavior and how he presents himself. A handsome man who may seem dull, timid, or violent would unlikely be able to attract any women, even if he happens to be gracing the covers of fashion magazines. Women are mysterious creatures. They typically won't look for your body proportion or the size of your penis on a first date. Women only want two things: comfort and support. Now that you know the secrets of true attraction, it's also time to tell you the answer to the question, why can't I get a girl I like? Well, it's because you're desperate. Females absolutely abhor males who are desperate to have their attention. Clamoring for their love and time is highly unattractive. Males who are desperate would unlikely be selective with women. He would have no standards and no charming traits. Desperation also makes a man seem vulnerable, afraid, and without control, all of which are not the traits of a masculine person. Women who are dating desperate men often find themselves listening about how often he was rejected and the fact that they're willing to settle with just about anyone. These males like to tell everyone how unhappy they are, how badly he had been treated, and how they would do anything to have sex. Females expect adult males to be able to take care of themselves, as well as her and their children. Women are turned off by men who feel vulnerable because it's supposed to be the other way around. Men who have a strong desire to be with a woman should not be ashamed of it. However, it is best to learn how to behave when you need something. It would also be better to tell and show women that you want them, but never beg them for attention, not even if you think it's the only way you'll get something out of the relationship. Thank you for staying to the end of the video. If you want to watch more videos on how to attract women, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any tips.